Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Giselle. So in today's video, we are going to be demoing this brush. So this is the Bestool natural, well, I'm not going to say natural, but this is the Bestool detangling brush. And what's so unique about this brush is the flexible brush heads. I do have the detangler brush. Oh, I forgot what it's called. Here's a picture of it. I do have that brush and I love it so much, but I saw another YouTuber, a natural hair YouTuber, trying out this brush and I was very intrigued by it, so I decided to get it. Now, I did get mine on Amazon, and a few weeks ago I found out that this is a dupe from a black owned hair company. So I found two, so I don't know who created it first or anything like that, but I do know that this is a dupe from one of those brands, I believe. If you guys know the correct information, let me know in the comments down below. But here are both of their information. But basically, this is supposed to help you detangle your hair, whether it's wet or dry.
Easily detangle your curly or coily hair anytime, anywhere. It's perfect for our tender-headed queens, and your kids will love it. Use your Wonder Brush with your favorite conditioner to cut your detangling time in half. Just brush vertically, then horizontally for fast detangling. The Wonder Brush will significantly reduce tension and easily glide through those stubborn knots.
So this is supposed to be the holy grail of detangling. So what I wanted to do is just demo and test this out for you guys. Now, I have been using it and I've only used it on wet hair when I'm detangling my hair after I get out of the shower, but I did want to try to detangle a piece while I am, well, before I take a shower and wash my hair. So since I only have done it, while I was in the shower and only in wet hair, I just wanted to test it out too, because this brush does claim to detangle hair wet and dry. So my hair is very tangly, like, girl, she just defies gravity. So she is very tangled right in the roots. It is, whew, man, it's terrible in there. It's terrible. Not gonna detangle this whole section. I really just want to do, oh, a piece. Lord Jesus, oh, that hurt. Oh, I didn't bring a bobby pin in here. Have you guys ever looked on the floor for a bobby pin? Because, they're on the floor. Ooh. And I found one on the floor. Your girl just be taking out bobby pins and throwing them, apparently. Okay. So, this piece is tangly. Or tangled. So, I'm going to start at the ends. Okay, I'm tender-headed. And it doesn't hurt when I do it in the shower, but it hurts just a little bit. But I am tender-headed. Okay. I'm really surprised. Maybe I'll start detangling my hair before I get in the shower. Like, that took no time. That was maybe 10 seconds. And I do have a little bit of hair in that. So I don't even know if you can see it. Like, it's the smallest. It's like 4 strands of hair that I have. It's very, very small. And that section is detangled. Look, I can run my fingers all throughout it. Look at that. Do I want to detangle my hair fully while I'm out the shower? Do I? Oh my gosh, look at all the dandruff on my lap. And I forgot, it also comes with this little adjustable clip. On the back of the comb, it has 2 holes, so you can set it to be a certain width. So if you don't want the bristles to move like they do, you can, ooh, one of them won't go in there. And this is my first time using, there we go. This is my first time using this little band. So you see I have the band on now, and now it doesn't move. So let's see how well it detangles my hair with just that set width. I'm super impressed. This is really detangling my hair, and I think I like it better with the clip on there. Like, I've never used the clip to hold it. This is my first time putting that little piece on there, and it's tugging my hair less. I didn't know that was possible, but look at that. Okay, let's see, and I just have a little bit of shedding. This seems, you know, normal to me, the normal amount of shedding that I have, but this whole section is detangled. Like, what is life? So I have my stopwatch here, and I am going to time how long it takes me to detangle the rest of this section. Girl, it took me 1 minute and 58 seconds. I don't know if you guys can see that. 1 minute and 58 seconds to detangle the rest of my hair. And I can, oh, I missed the spot in the back. Girl, we can't forget about that back. But I can run my fingers through this scalp, through my hair. Like, what is that? Like, what? Crazy. Okay, and I haven't detangled this side yet, so just so you guys can see from detangled and not detangled, like, madness. So definitely, I would definitely check out the both hairbrushes, because they have sales all the time that I've seen. This is the what do you call that, shedding I got for my hair. Not bad, could be a little bit better. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle this side of my head off camera and go ahead and wash my hair. Make sure, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see a side-by-side comparison of this brush between another brush, let me know. In my next video, I will be demoing and sharing my thoughts on the new Derma E shampoo and conditioner and what I think about that. So make sure you subscribe so you won't miss out on that video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.